This new niche can make you $5K a month with AI. In my previous videos, I've shared historical and motivation niches for short videos, and we know you liked it a lot. But this time we will be using a new strategy. In this new niche, we will upload long videos as well as short videos to gain more subscribers and easily monetize our channel. Before we proceed further, I really work hard to research new topics and test new ideas for you. And in exchange, we never sell any course or an ebook like other gurus do. Therefore, we expect you to at least subscribe to our channel and hit a like button to support our work. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the business. This new niche is called Stoicism. Yes, you heard it right. So in this video, I will show you how to create a YouTube channel on this niche, how to create a YouTube logo and banner, and how to craft the content. But before we dive in, let me give you a taste of what success looks like. This channel has 123K subscribers. And the best part, according to Social Blade, they're raking in an average of $4,800 a month. Now you might be scratching your head wondering, how did they pull that off? Well, my friend, the secret sauce is short videos. In a niche like Stoicism, short videos are like the golden ticket to a thriving channel. And today, I'm not just going to tell you, I'm going to show you how to craft long videos and as well as short videos too. So let's dive into the world of Stoic wisdom together. At first, we are going to create a channel name, description, channel logo, and channel banner. As usual, let's start with ChatGPT. So let's ask ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, I want to start my new motivational YouTube channel which is about Stoicism. So could you please suggest 20 name ideas for my channel? And here ChatGPT gives us 20 unique names. Let's pick one of this and ask Chat, could you please write me a YouTube channel description which is about motivation? And the channel name is Stoic Soul. So our description is ready. Now we need a logo and channel banner. For this I will use Canva. Go to the Canva and search for the logo. Here you will find a ready-made template which you can use or you can start with blank. Now go to the apps and open Magic Media and enter your description here that what type of logo you want to generate. Then after choose image style and click on generate. And here you will get 4 images. Choose one of this or still if you're not satisfied with the results, click generate again. I like this one. Add this and download it. So our logo is ready. Now it's time to create a banner. For this again, search YouTube banner and generate image using Canva Magic Design. Now let's add this image now. To add text, click on text. Choose one of this text and add your channel name or slogan as well. You can add suitable text effects and fonts. There are so many fonts, colors, effects are available here. Choose and make sure to create a good-looking banner. When you are done with editing, click on share and download it. All right, now let's move to the important part of the video, creating video. Let's start with a short video. For this again, open ChatGPT and ask, hey ChatGPT, I want you to make 20 Stoicism messages, quotes for my YouTube shorts. And here I will give you an example for your reference. Try to make similar ones, and then 1 or 2 examples. And here ChatGPT write us 20 similar quotes which we can use. But I think it's quite short. So let's ask ChatGPT add second part in the above quotes and make sure to write them in simple English, which is easy to understand. I think it's good, or still if you want to make it longer, ask ChatGPT to add a third part. Now, let's jump to the next step, creating voiceover. For this, I will use ElevenLabs. In this tool, you can get 10,000 free characters. Now, go to the voice library and then select the suitable AI voice. Deep voice is amazing for this type of video, so make sure to select the best voice for your video. I like this one. Let's go with this golden rule to memory. Let us now commit it to life. We have committed the goal. Now go back to the ChatGPT, copy the quote and paste it here. And then click on generate. Happiness isn't in big things, it's in small moments. Be thankful for what you have right now, and you'll discover joy in the little things. It's perfect, let's download this. Now we need to find suitable images for our background. For this, I will use Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo AI and click on AI image generation. Choose the number of images, dimension, and aspect ration. At first, we are going to make YouTube Shorts video, so choose 9:16 ratio. Then, enter your prompt, and here I will write Stoicism, Motivation, Stoic Statue with dark Stoic background. And as a result, I will get these 4 images. Download the images which are perfect. Then generate other images and add different things in your prompt, such as a Stoic man reading a book and all. Or if you are not good at prompt writing, ask ChatGPT to write an image generation prompt for you. So by this way, add a detailed description in your prompt to generate different images. Or you can also get images from the Google, just search Stoic statue, and here you will find many images which you can use in your video. Alright, now, let's jump to the final step, edit the video. For this, I will use CapCut. First of all, import all the images and voiceover in the CapCut and drag them into the timeline. After that, set the image duration according to voiceover. Now let's generate auto captions. For this, click on text, which is on the upper side, and choose the auto captions option. Select the language and hit create. After that, choose fonts, size, color according to your preference. Happiness. I will also select the background for the text, so it will look good, then choose animation for the caption. I think this one looks good. Let's select this. It's in small moments. After that, add transitions between each pages from the top menu. There are so many options, choose which looks best. Then try to add different filters and effects among each image to look attractive. Let's have a look at our video. Happiness isn't in big things, it's in small moments. Be thankful for what you have right now, and you'll discover joy in the little things. Perfect. Now add music into this, and click on export to download this video. Now let's make long videos in this niche. It's basically the same process. Create a script with ChatGPT. Ask, I want to make YouTube videos about 10 minutes for my Stoicism channel. So, could please write me a motivational script for my video, and the topic is techniques to increase your intelligence. If you want to create script like some specific channel, go to their video, then transcript and copy the same. Now, share the same script with ChatGPT and ask her to use this script as reference. And as a result, ChatGPT gives you whole script in similar patterns. Now follow the same step which I showed you before. Go to the ElevenLabs and create Voiceover. Then generate background images from Leonardo AI, or you can also use stock footage as background. For this, go to the Pixels and Pixabay. Search the nature-related video, and you will find many stock videos in HD, and in the last, edit the whole video with subtitles. Now let's see the final results of this video. Happiness isn't in big things, it's in small moments. Be thankful for what you have right now, and you'll discover joy in the little things.
10 powerful Stoic techniques to elevate your intelligence. 1. Embrace change. Change is not a loss, it's a lesson. The Stoics viewed change as a natural part of life, a profound teacher. Embrace change with curiosity, not fear. Every change, big or small, is an opportunity to learn and adapt. As Marcus Aurelius said, loss is nothing else but change, and change is nature's delight. 2. Embrace discomfort. True intelligence and wisdom lie outside of your comfort zone. Embrace discomfort. It's a powerful tool for personal growth. By facing challenges, you not only gain new skills but also develop resilience and mental toughness. Remember, the obstacle is the way,